Understand what type of problem is this? Eh? I don't understand what type of problem is this. How can a person roof house? Hello, Oyeka. What type of rubbish did you say to me now? Eh? What is the meaning of this? Say I go dey my house, where you go for? My house go be like lady. Are you mad? After all the money I gave you to go and buy roof, what is wrong with you, Oyeka? I don't like this, so. Hello? Hello? Oyeka? Ah! What's the problem? What's the problem?
Oga, no vex o. I see where you dey jump, dey do dey worry, say see roof this, roof that. Wetin happen?
I gave these useless boys a huge amount of money to roof my house. But as you can see that the rain has fallen just 2 days ago and my own house is like late.
Na because you never sought for the right roofing.
Right roofing?
Yes.
Which one be right roofing?
Okay. You don hear about Sea Roof Production?
You say?
Sea Roof Production.
My brother, tell me wetin happen.
The ogbonge roofing for nationwide, worldwide, even Nigeria wide. Wey be say no dey leak, no dey get cut at all. Yes. So oga, make you go na go get the better ogbonge sea roofing. Make you no need dey shout.
So Sea Roof Aluminium Product Nigeria Limited. Na dem people sabi for make high quality aluminum long span roofing sheets, step tiles, metro copper tiles, zinc profile, transparent zinc and sea roof stone tiles. For undertake of roofing contract and supply of materials, na dem dey shele. Dem design sef na America wonder. For sea roof tiles, dem get designs like struggles, bond, Milano and wood designs. Everything wey concern your modern roofing and tiles, na Sea Roof be the answer. Dem head office dey for number 95 Upper New Market Road, Onitsha. Factory 17 Sam Miller Avenue, GCM Harbour Industrial Layout, Onitsha. Marketing office 22 Port Harcourt Road, Feke, Onitsha. Phone 08063919715. For your quality roofing. Sea Roof Aluminium Product Nigeria Limited. God is good.